Picture this, a city nestled in the heart of the Hauts-de-France region known as Amiens. Born during the Roman era, Samaro-Briva, as it was then called, grew significantly. It flourished in the Middle Ages, later thriving during the Industrial Revolution as a hub for the textile industry. This history of Amiens isn't just about its strategic location or industry. It's a testament to the resilience of its people, its preserved past and hopeful future. From its humble beginnings, Amiens has grown to become a city of remarkable history and beauty. Amiens is a city that showcases a stunning blend of architectural styles. The gem of the city is the Amiens Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the High Gothic style. It towers as the tallest complete cathedral in France, flaunting intricate details. The City Hall, showcasing French Renaissance architecture, stands as a symbol of history. The modern University of Picardy, with its contemporary design, represents Amiens' embrace of the future. The city's residential areas, hauts-de-France, are unique houses built on marshlands. Their colourful facades reflect on the canal waters, surrounded by enchanting floating gardens. From the majestic Amiens Cathedral to the charming hauts-de-France, Amiens' architectural landscape is diverse and captivating. Each structure tells its own story, adding a new layer to the city's rich tapestry of history. Indeed, the city's diverse architectural styles are a testament to its rich history. Smash the like and hit the subscribe button, folks. Now take a second to check if you've turned on notifications. By doing so, you'll never miss an update from us. Fasten your seatbelts as we're about to embark on an awe-inspiring journey through one of France's hidden gems. The city of Amiens is not just about buildings, it's also about the people and their vibrant culture. Delve into the heart of Amiens, a city that comes alive with cultural events. The highlight is the Amiens International Film Festival, a celebration of cinema that transforms Amiens into a global stage. The Saint-Lô district's flea market is a vibrant splash of tradition and nostalgia. Amiens also houses museums like the Museum of Picardy, and don't forget Jules Verne's house, a tribute to their most famous resident. Lastly, the cuisine is diverse, with savoury pancakes and almond-flavoured macaroons. Amiens' cultural scene is vibrant and diverse, reflecting the city's unique character. Each cultural event or culinary experience offers an immersion into the city's spirit. Today, Amiens continues to thrive as a city of history, culture and innovation. The city pulses with intellectual vigour thanks to the University of Picardy, a hub of education and research. But Amiens' progress doesn't end at academia. It's also a trailblazer in sustainability. Picture car-free zones as a norm, bike-sharing programs that promote eco-friendly practices, and a cityscape where ancient cathedrals stand beside modern buildings. This successful blend of the old and new extends to its approach to historical landmarks, integrating them into daily life. Amiens' unique fusion of history and modernity captivates all who visit. It's a vibrant community that cherishes its past, embraces its present, and looks towards its future. Amiens is a city that honours its past while looking towards the future. So what makes Amiens a city worth visiting? Amiens is a city that has evolved, preserving its historical heritage. Its streets are a testament to the past and the vibrant present. The architectural marvels, including the Amiens Cathedral and Saint-Lô, narrate the city's rich history. These structures stand alongside modern designs, reflecting the city's blending of old and new. Amiens has a dynamic cultural scene, with festivals and events reflecting its character. The city values sustainability, evident in its parks, canals and policies. The welcoming atmosphere of Amiens invites every visitor to become a friend, to explore its streets and immerse in its traditions. From riding boats along the Somme to the light show at the cathedral, Amiens offers unique experiences. Amiens, a city of history, culture and charm, invites you to experience its unique allure. In Amiens, every journey tells a story. Now that you have come this far, I have put all the required information and links in the video description. Be sure to comment and leave your point about the video. See you!